Hello students, I am Shikha, your music teacher. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the brief description that what will be there in the music subject, what will be the mark schemes, and what will be the book and what are the topics. Okay, today I'll tell you these all things in this video. First of all, I'll tell you about that there will be 30 marks theory and 70 marks practical. Okay, so theory and practical 30 and 70 ratio will be there. Okay, so for theory there will be 4 units that I'll show you. 4 units will be there and 5 questions will be there from these 4 units. In the exam there will be choice for each and every question. Okay, total like 10 questions will be there and you have to do 5 questions. Okay, that I'll explain you afterwards. And there will be one theory notebook will be there, you have to prepare, and one practical notebook. Okay, one theory notebook, one practical notebook. Like daily or after 2 or 3 days we'll upload the videos. That same topic you have to write in your notebook, and I will tell you which topic you have to write for your practical notebook. Okay, so I'll explain now what are the topics and what will be the book for you people. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay students, so this is the book name is Sangeet Nidhi and the writer is Kulwant Kaur. Okay, this book will help you for the both years, like +1 and +2. The book will be same. Okay, the topics will be different but the book will be same. I'll show you the index. These are the some topics like Sangeet, Naad, Shruti, Swar, Alankar. Okay, these all things are there in this book, but we have divided this book into units. Okay, now I'll show you the units. So I have divided this syllabus into 4 units. First of all, I'll tell you about the theory part. Unit 1 is there. In this, these small definitions are there in the unit 1, like Naad, Shruti, Swar, Saptak, Thaat, Jati, Lay, Taal, Margi Deshi, Sangeet, Raag or Lakshan Geet. These all are the small definition. Okay, and the unit 2 is of study of Gharana, Dhrupad, Khayal. Okay, these 3 questions are there. And 4 ताल आपको बताई जाएगी. आपको ताल ये आपके प्रैक्टिकल में भी है और थ्योरी में भी है. ओके, 4 ताल आर देयर इन दिस. 3 ताल, कहरवा ताल, 1 ताल और चौताल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट 2 units, like first unit and second unit, there will be 3 questions. Okay, in the theory. So I'll tell you about the third unit. In the third unit there will be life sketch. जीवनी है तानसेन जी की, भातखंडे जी की, एंड ये 2 जीवनियाँ हैं आपकी. एंड द ब्रीफ स्टडी ऑफ नाट्य शास्त्र, बृहदेशी संगीत ग्रंथ. ये 2 संगीत ग्रंथ हैं. इन दोनों का आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन देना. ओके, देयर विल बी चॉइस ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. From each unit there will be 2 questions and you have to do 1. Okay, so in the 4th unit there will be critical study of raga. आपको 2 राग करवाए जाएंगे. Okay, this question will be same for the theory and for the practical. And structure of तानपुरा. तानपुरा जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है उसके बारे में आपको पूरा बताना है। ओके, इन द 4th यूनिट बेसिकली आपके 4 राग हैं, जिसमें से आपको 3 राग करवाए जाएंगे। ओके, वो राग आपको प्रैक्टिकल में भी सुनाने हैं एज वेल एज आपको थ्योरी में भी लिखने हैं, उसका थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट। ओके, सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू कि थ्योरी की यूनिट्स 4 हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट यूनिट से 3 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, सेकेंड यूनिट से 3 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, फ्रॉम थर्ड यूनिट 2 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, एंड फ्रॉम फोर्थ यूनिट 2 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. Total 10 questions will be there, and you have to do 5 questions. Okay, so this is the theoretical part. Practical part, okay, from unit 2nd and unit 4. These 2 units, there will be practical study. From unit 2, these 4 ताल आप देख रहे हैं, 3 ताल, कहरवा ताल, चौताल और 1 ताल. These ताल you have to do for the practical as well as for the theory. Okay, and for this unit 4, this unit again I am telling you, this unit again you have to do it for the practical as well as for the theory. First and unit 3rd is basically for the theory. Okay, and for practical, one more thing will be there. You have to sing one devotional or one folk song that I'll make you prepared. There will be choice between this, and you have to sing that song. Okay, these all things will be there. So hope you like it and hope you understand it. If you have any query, you can call me. Okay, thank you. So this will be the basic structure for your music subject. Okay, hope you understand it. So if you have any query, okay, any questions regarding, so you can call me anytime. Okay, I'll tell you. Thank you.